This is Bill North from Florida Weekend Warriors. Got myself an early Christmas present, lithium-ion batteries from Costco. These new Lion Energy batteries, they're 90 amp hours. We're going to install them today. We'll show you how. And also, don't forget the power converter. Need a special one for lithium batteries. These batteries have a 90 amp hour rating. They have a standard charging current of 45 amps, a max charging current of 100 amps, and they can have a maximum discharge of up to 150 amps. They also have a very interesting warranty. The warranty is basically a lifetime warranty, but it's really only 3,500 cycles. They guarantee that it'll have an 80% capacity after having 3,500 cycles, which is really about 10 years. So it should be the last battery you ever buy for your RV. First thing you need to do is disconnect the power. You don't want to have any short circuits. And then find a place to mount the batteries. You can mount them inside your coach or RV, but I'm just going to mount mine in this RV lockbox. It's all aluminum and it locks up. And I live in Florida, so temperature's not a big consideration, but if you live farther... When choosing a place to mount your batteries, keep in mind that lithium batteries will not charge when it's below freezing. They'll discharge, but they will not charge. So if you do a lot of camping and it's going to be below freezing, and you're expecting to be out there for more than a day or two and you'll need to charge your batteries, you'll need to mount these batteries inside or get a battery blanket or something to keep the batteries above freezing so you can charge them. Just unlock it, and this whole thing slides out. You just pull it, put your finger in this little hole, this whole thing slides out. There's your batteries. It's going to be a super simple install. These are group size 24. They're going to fit right in the same exact box. The next thing you do, you need to locate the power converter that you already have, because you got to change it out with one made for lithium batteries. Mine is really simple. It's right behind this power panel. And the power panel comes off pretty simple. Just pull the lid off and undo 4 screws. There's a screw in each corner. There's a little, they don't come all the way out. There's a little safety catch behind it to keep the screw from coming all the way out. Once you get them loose, they just kind of hang there. You want to make sure you have the batteries disconnected, because behind here is tons of wires. Oops, that came loose. There it is. So this over here is all your AC section, and over here is all your DC section. You see these here are the wires coming straight from the battery, and these will go over to the power controller. Once I take these other screws off, this whole panel will slide out and the power converter will be right behind it. So once you get the 4 screws out, this whole panel just slides out. It's kind of hard to see, but the old power converter's back in there. I'll have to get a flashlight. It's hard to see, but it's actually over there in the corner. So it's going to be kind of hard to get to, but it's just right there. On my rig, it was easier to take out the vent for the heat. There's a heat duct right there, because right behind it is the converter. That way I have easy access to it. Just took me about 30 seconds to undo the vent. It's super simple. Will make life a lot easier. Both the old power converter and the new one simply just plug into the back of the panel. You can see right here there's a plug right here. Basically just unplug it. Just like this. That's all there is to it. That, the 2 battery cables, and hook it up to ground. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. We're just going to use some of the packing material that came with the batteries to put them down in these corners to get the batteries nice and secure in there. There we go. Got them nice and snug. Got some of this packing material in here so the batteries won't vibrate around. Ready to hook it up and fire it up, see if it works. Another thing nice about these batteries, they have a nice monitor built right in. So they're about 40% charged right now. So we'll hook it up, see if it works. How you can tell that your inverter is working is by checking the voltage. It's 14.2, and when I have it unplugged, it's only 13.3. So we know the batteries are getting charged. This is just a little voltmeter that's built into my inverter. That's how I check it. Got the batteries all in. I also installed a little rubber cap over the positive on both positive terminals, just in case you're going down the road and you hit some bumps and stuff. You don't want these batteries to go up and hit this aluminum case because it's grounded. Let's see how the batteries are doing. We're up to 60% already. That's pretty good. They've only been charging about 40 minutes. These Lion Energy batteries are on sale right now at Costco for only $650. That's $300 cheaper than the Battleborn. And another thing, they fit better in the compartment. I can only fit one Battleborn battery, or I have to put like 350s in that box that I have. So we'll try them out. The install went fairly smooth. One thing that I had a little trouble with was the converter. There's just a lot of wires back behind that panel, and it was kind of difficult getting the old one out and getting the new one in and running the ground wire. But other than that, it was pretty simple, and putting the batteries themselves in was really easy. So I hope you like this video. I'll do a follow-up video on the performance of the batteries later after I get to try them out for a while. But if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.